Hey everyone, Heather here. Yes, I'm in my car and there are my groceries. And I'm starting like this because while I was in the grocery store, I had a craving for something called pho. Have you ever heard of it? Have you ever had it? I had it for the first time when I was in Washington just recently, and it was so good that I want to try it at home. And so, since I hadn't had lunch yet, I decided, hey, what the heck, let's do some pho today. So, let's go. Hey everyone, like promised, here I am with this pho recipe. So I read online that all you really need is vegetables, noodles, and this broth. So I am gonna do my best to see how this turns out. So what I'm gonna need for this recipe is the pho package. Here's an up close of the pho box. I'll show you the back. Hot, exotic, tasty. And then we're gonna use a variety of veggies. So we have some sprouts, some zucchini, chicken and red pepper sausage, some green onions, some jalapenos, and some carrots sliced really thin. We're also going to use some rice noodle. I also have some lime juice, some basil, and some dried cilantro because the cilantro in my grocery store today looked awful. So I was not about to buy cilantro that looked like it had been picked 3 months ago. So instead we're going with the dried stuff. Okay, so first of all, we have the pho package that I bought at the store. It is gluten-free, it is non-GMO, and the recipes are super easy. It is mix 1 stick pouch to 2 cups of hot water. Okay, so we're gonna do that. That's my hot water right there. It said it needed to be boiling for the noodles, so I figured I should just boil it up and have it be good. 2 cups of hot water. Ready? Hot. All right, and immediately, so I bought 2 kinds of rice noodle. And I think I'm going to try this one first. So first I'll stir it up, and then we just drop in one of these rice ramens, just like that. So apparently, if we let it sit there for a little while, it will soften and cook. But I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots because I want my carrots to soften a little. And I'm going to add some zucchini again because I want it to soften a little. And I don't know if I'm doing this right. No idea. Never made this before. And some of this sausage, also for the same reason. I really just want it to get warm and this broth is hot. I guess we just wait now. Literally, we just wait. Has it been 3 minutes yet? It hasn't. I'm getting bored waiting for my food. But it smells really good. Like, I'm not even sure what it smells like, but it smells good. I'm gonna resist the urge to try and mess with it because I want it to go for 3 minutes. Ooh, it's getting soft. It's been like 1.5 minutes. Really, it feels like it's been like 7, 12. That's what happens when you get really hungry and you forget to eat. And then you see something at the store and think, I want some pho. Is it just me? Can anybody relate to that? Sure you can. Okay, I think it's been 3 minutes. Let's see. Nope, not yet, but I will stir it up just so that you can tell the noodles aren't quite ready yet. And I'll check the temperature of the broth. Looks good though. Looks super good. Broth is still pretty warm, so we'll let it sit for a little bit longer. Although maybe I read the instructions wrong. Hold on. Oh, let's stand 10 minutes. You'll be here a while. So maybe I will go and do something else for 8 more minutes and then come back and show you the results. Sounds like a great idea. Actually, maybe I'll make another video, although my board's all messed up. I'm gonna make an Instant Pot series, so if you're curious about Instant Pot stuff, stay tuned, because I'm gonna make some eggs. Ooh, eggs inside the pho. Would that be good? I think I have a hard-boiled egg inside of my refrigerator. I will have to find out if that tastes good in pho. Maybe. I think so. We'll see. All right, be back in 8 minutes. Still hasn't been 8 minutes yet, but I figured I would come back here and show you this cool. So I have my hard-boiled egg here and the Pampered Chef egg slicer. This is the coolest thing ever. So I also use it for olives and mushrooms and anything soft, but it is the coolest thing ever. Bam. My completely egg slice. Let's look. Look at that. So there I have an egg. I also found half of an avocado, and let me just tell you what. I like avocado, and I'll have avocado in my, oops, wrong side. This is also a little tool from Pampered Chef. It will hollow out my avocado without, look at that, pink, the whole avocado. And maybe it's not big enough, but, oh yeah, it is. There you go. So now I have avocado slices. There you go, slices of avocado. I love avocado. Clean up this mess, and I will be back in like 7.5 minutes now. I'm ready. I'm ready for this to be done. This is, you know, I make a lot of things that take way longer than 10 minutes to make, and I'm never this impatient. So I wonder if it's something to do with just that I'm not having to do anything, like I'm bored, maybe. These noodles are actually looking really good. Let's try one and see. Try one. Yep, they're done. Okay. Okay, so now we are gonna add in some green onion, which I love green onion. Jalapenos, because pho is spicy. Now, cilantro, we're just gonna sprinkle some on and then I'll stir it in. Some basil. I love basil, basile. So I'm pretty sure that there's no amount of basil that is too much. So we'll see if that's good. Okay, so let me just stir this up a little bit. Ooh, this smells, I wish this was smell-o-vision, because the smells in this are amazing. Just amazing. Okay, and then it actually asked for mung bean sprouts, but my store had 0. So I'm just using regular sprouts because I love sprouts, and I'm pretty sure you can't go wrong with sprouts of any sort. So let's just sprinkle them on in here. I don't even know how many sprouts. I just know that I love sprouts. Sprouts on your sandwich, sprouts in your salad, sprouts every day. I don't think I'm gonna add the eggs or the avocado until I first try it. All right, so here we have, let me just stir this up a little bit. Smells delicious. All right, you guys want an up close personal look? Pho. So let's see how it tastes. There's my egg. I may need to add some more basil. That might not have been enough. Okay, I'm gonna take a piece of chicken and a piece of, take all the things. So there's a perfect bite as I just drop it on the ground. Let me show you the perfect bite. It has everything in it. Oh yeah. So here we go. Let's try the perfect bite. Oh yeah. Super spicy. My jalapenos are from my garden. That was a spicy one. I forgot I'm supposed to add some lime juice, so let's add a little lime juice and attempt to calm. Whew. Wow. Whew. Now I will take another perfect bite, so I'll have a little bit of everything. I'm gonna leave off the jalapeno this time though, because dang, Gina, that was hot. And then I will put on some egg. All right, and I'm gonna put the egg on just to see what I think. It doesn't change the flavor at all. In fact, it may make it better. Okay, all right, now we're gonna go for the avocado. Right, there we go. Perfect bite and avocado. Okay. Wow. Avocado and pho. Out of this world. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, results. I like pho. This is the second time I've eaten it. The first time I've made it. I did make it from a box, but there are recipes online where you can make it yourself, but it says that it takes a very long time. I know there's an Instant Pot pho recipe, so I might try that, but this was my first attempt to see if I even liked it at home. And I do. In fact, I like it a lot, and I think I will have it more often. I don't know how many calories. Let's see. I'm counting calories right now. So, 260, 380, under 400 calories. Now, of course, that doesn't include the vegetables, so we'll probably call it a 400 calorie bowl of pho. That's not bad, as long as I don't put the avocado in it, I guess, or the eggs. Those are free though. Avocado is always free. They're calorie free because they're Jesus's food, I'm pretty sure. But, so 400 calories, maybe 500 if you stick in all the other stuff. I think that's really good. I really like it, and I think I'm going to make it again. In fact, I think I'm going to get off here so that I can eat it when it's warm. I am, however, going to take out the jalapenos because they are way spicier than I thought they would be. So, sorry jalapeno lovers. I do love a good jalapeno and a good salsa, but whew, my jalapenos were seriously hot. Almost made me cry. You saw it live on camera. I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed this pho, and if you did, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Maybe they want to make pho. Now, just to get rid of those hot things. Right? Right. All right, bye guys.